One of the biggest games of 2023 is finally ready for me to review. Now, I've been following Artifact for a while, guys, and I'm going to tell you exactly why and what is making the hype around this project so very special. So we're going to dive straight into this, but please note this disclaimer first. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's get into Artifact. So here it is, guys, Artifact, the future of gaming. This is where you can play games having fun, earn money, trade NFTs, make events, and so much more. Here's what I'm going to do for you first, because in the background, you can already see a kind of trailer playing. Before I dive into this, I'm going to let you see the trailer. But I want you to know one thing. The pre-sale has already started, okay? And they have raised over $2 million. So you can get a sense of how big this is becoming. Let me play the trailer for you so you can watch this.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, there we had it. We watched the trailer together, and it is incredible. One of the things I like about this, and I was telling my friends yesterday, is that if you have a favorite game, whether that's on PlayStation, whether that's on Xbox, it doesn't matter. This has incorporated everything. So if your favorite game is Destiny, this has got a Destiny aspect to it. If your favorite game is Grand Theft Auto, you can see in the background right now. You can take cars, you can drive around, you can kill people, whatever it is you want to do. Every game that you enjoy is built into this. It's incredible, okay? So let's have a look at some of the website at the top. You've got the ARTY token, which we will talk about, games, NFTs, token sales, and the airdrop, which again, we will talk about. If you want to check the white paper, hit up on the top right. And if you want to buy the token without even listening to the rest of the video, feel free to go and do that right now. But guys, this is literally one of the biggest hyped games I've ever reviewed. Their sale event's going on right now. Their pre-sale, like I said, over $2 million going on their pre-sale too already. The ARTY price is at 30 cents. The minimum is going to be $100 and the maximum is going to be $10,000 that you can buy if you just click that buy button right now. Listings obviously coming soon. MEX, Pancake Swap are on there, and we have 2 exchanges coming soon, guys. This is going to be incredible. If you want to learn more about the actual token, all you got to do is go up here and click like I said, and it will take you to that part. There's a total supply of 25 million ARTY tokens. It's a native deflationary cryptocurrency and governance token of the Artifact ecosystem. It's integrated to play-to-earn solutions, maintain a constant demand for the ARTY, which continuously simulates the growth of its value. Guys, this token is raising and raising. So if you enjoy playing the game anyway, why not use that to your benefit and get involved with the investment of the token? Now, the biggest thing people are talking about right now with Artifact, of course, is the pre-sale too. But if you click on airdrop, you can actually go into their private Telegram bot. If you just hit start here, you will see, please provide that you're human by solving the simple maths task. I'm not telling you you should be fantastic at maths, but they usually are pretty easy. Like this one here is 13. If you solve it, you will get access to the Artifact airdrop bot, just like this, where you can follow them on Twitter like the pinned post, go through all the different steps and get involved. Because guys, there is a chance that you can win 200 USDT. There is a chance with the top 1,000 referrals that you're going to get 15,000 USDT. Guys, a total reward pool of 50,000 is going out, so make sure you get involved in that airdrop right now. So guys, once you follow them on their Twitter, join the Discord, join the Telegram group, the Telegram channel, you can actually download the Artifact demo here with this link. So guys, it's really easy to download the Artifact demo, okay? You can just click the button inside of the Telegram like you can see on the right-hand side. Okay, or on the website, you can just click download. You need to have a Windows, click OK when this pop-up comes up, and then simply watch. It's 2.899 gigs, so make sure you have that free on your computer, and then this file will come up. Simply open that up, find where it says artifact.exe. Like I said, you need a window that's .exe. Okay, and it will start downloading in the background for you. Guys, this is a really, really easy process. Click yes after that. It's simple. Download that. You get to play the demo. You're going to agree to the license terms and conditions, okay, and then simply press install. Once you're there, you just choose a sign-up method, whether it's your email, Facebook, Google, Xbox network, whatever it is you want to do it with, just put it in there. Be comfortable with it. You don't need to put as much details as you usually do with games and stuff. Just put your date of birth, whatever you want to sign up with. I'm going to blur this out just now so you don't see my date of birth and what I'm doing. And then I'm going to click continue. Guys, we're literally about to be there, okay? Put in the names that you need to. Again, I'm going to blur it out, okay? You choose a username, and then you're going to agree to the last terms and conditions. After you've chose your password, make sure you write your password down, remember it, okay? Because when you actually play the full game, it'll be the same account that you're signing up with, okay? Click to get emails and news and surveys and agree to the terms and conditions, and then simply click continue. You're going to get an email, okay, with the verification code. Once you've put that in, you just simply click verify email and it will take you to the next step. Let me do that. So I put my verification in. Okay, I'm going to verify my email. It's obviously going to verify, and then we can move forward. So make sure you do put an email in that you can see, okay? Now guys, what I'm going to do is I've showed you how to get involved with the airdrop competition, how to download everything you need, but I'm going to show you some special featured gameplay, okay? I've actually been sent from the Artifact team some gameplay videos to show you. Let me show you them right now. So going through all the different things you could do, like this wall run right now, running across the wall and shooting. It's very simple, very smooth. I'm going to go through a few of the different ones that I've been sent. Here we're talking about the trailer, which we already saw, okay? We've got the sprint run. If I play this video, you'll be able to see it. Okay, sprinting like that. Super smooth, guys. Just like I said, the games that you enjoy outside of the crypto realm have all been integrated in here, and I think they've done a very good way of balancing it. Some people love Call of Duty, some people love Division, some people love all the different ones, but I think they've mixed them together so well that everybody's going to like these. We've got some more here with a slide-in demonstration, going across, shooting at the same time. Probably my favorite, the flying. You can just fly around, shoot wherever you want to go, travel to wherever you want to need to be. Guys, this is a really, really cool gameplay shot. Guys, if you want to watch more videos, please just go on the website, go through. You can see deathmatch examples. You can see some of the events that they've been holding, all right? It's incredible. Things are getting really unique for this project. Now, I've talked a lot about the airdrop because the airdrop is going on right now that you can get involved with, and the pre-sale too. So, guys, with Artifact, you just need to get involved. It's really, really that easy. Make sure that you get onto their social medias. You should do this because, like I said, if you want to be within that airdrop competition, you need to make sure you follow every single step to a T. Download the demo and everything. Make sure you follow all their socials to get involved. So by now, I know you've already done that, so you're already following them on Twitter, but here it is. I'm going to go over it for you. On their Twitter, okay, they got 130,000 followers, so they're growing very, very rapidly. They're getting a lot of engagement on their posts, and you can see some of the cool trailers and innovating images they're putting in there for you. Guys, there's some gameplay in that on there as well. If you don't want to go through the website, make sure you give them a huge follow on that and Instagram as well. There you go, guys. Artifact, what an incredible video. I loved reviewing this project. It's something I've kept my eye on for a while, like I said. If you loved it, please let me know in the comments. But guys, from me, what I need you to do is hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Make sure that you stay up to date with our videos by hitting that bell, and I'm going to see you next video.